Something gentle is being born. Quiet whispers in the air, a tender shift from old despair. Soft new colors start to rise, opening beneath the skies. Breathing in a world brand new, finding strength to follow through. Lift your wings, feel the light, step into a clearer sight. What was hidden now can shine in its own unfolding tide. Every moment softly bends, marking where the journey ends, and where the path begins again, carried by a warmer wind. Let the past fall from your skin. There's a glow beneath within, rising slowly into view, showing what is meant for you. Lift your wings, feel the light, step into a clearer sight. What was hidden now can shine in its own unfolding time. Rise and let your colors breathe.